Hi everyone, I'm keep seeing these sweet potato brownies all over on my YouTube page. So thought of just recreating the recipe. So let's get started with the recipe. So you don't need these two potatoes here, but I'm just making extra because why not? And these are the red one are really nice and very sweet. So I'm using this, but if you have orange, you can also use them. So I just cut them in big pieces and skin on, and I'm just going to steam them until they are completely cooked through. So let's cover and let's steam. After a few minutes, it's ready. Nice steam is coming out. I'm going to let this cool down completely, and once it's cool a little bit, look at the skin is already coming off very easily, so it's easy to pull off the skin. And once it's ready, we'll move on the next step. Just to make this process fast, here I'm using Ninja blender, but you can do it by hand. So here I'm adding 3/4 cup of sweet potato into a blender. Half cup of all-purpose flour. You can use oat flour if you don't want to use this. Half cup of cocoa powder and half teaspoon of salt. 1/3 cup of oil. First I'm blending these ingredients and then I'll add the rest ingredient. So let's quickly blend. And it's ready. So now I'm adding sugar. So 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of maple syrup. And 1/3 cup of buttermilk and teaspoon of baking powder, and mix it again. Just blend it so it will be nice and smooth batter ready. So batter looks like this. I'm just going to take it out in a bowl, and I'm adding walnuts. This is optional. If you don't like, you can add chocolate chips or whatever you prefer. I just like to use walnut with the chocolate, so I'm adding them and mix it nicely together. I have baking tray ready with the parchment paper. I'm going to add all my mixture into the baking tray. I'm going to lay and flatten out this batter evenly on my baking tray. And I'm just putting some chocolate chips on top. You can add lots, less, whatever you prefer. I'm just adding a very little amount of chocolate chip here. And there it goes for baking at 350 for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it's ready. And let this cool down completely, then we'll cut it in pieces. Cut into your desired size and pieces and shapes. You can do the heart shape for the Valentine's Day. Sprinkling some coconut flakes on top just to give that little coconut cake in it. Please give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment box if you enjoyed it. And thank you so much for watching this recipe. If you enjoy watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel and share this recipe with your friends. Thanks again for watching.